Hey, how is it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this Yaheetech 20 drawers. It's a 20 drawers rolling cart that this brand sent to me for this video review. And I have to say, this is a multi-purpose rolling cart, and I thought I'd probably showcasing it in the kitchen, but I think this is more for like an office, like arts and crafts and papers and pens and things that you're gonna use probably in your day-to-day in your home office or things like that. That's what I put it in this environment. And let me actually tell you, it's a 25 by 14 by 36 inches. In each one of these drawers, I'm gonna show you this in a few seconds, but the whole thing, which is metal, it has a metal structure, which is super easy to assemble. Let me actually show you that in a few seconds. Everything it's explained right here in the instructions, and it's super straightforward. I think it took me, I want to say probably like in between 25 and 30 minutes, no more than that, with some power tools, but that's pretty much it. Let me actually show you this in a close-up right now. So as I was saying before, it's a 25 by 14 by 36 inches. It has wheels, as you can see right here, so you can actually move it in between places, which is super convenient. And both wheels have a lock, so that's actually pretty good. And let me show you the drawers, because you have 20 of them. And each one of these drawers is 11 by 14, and it supports up to 2 pounds. Each one of these supports up to 2 pounds. And you can see that these are super easy to slide. You can just like put them in the rails right here, and that's pretty much it. And the whole structure supports up to 11 pounds. And it has this metal shelf right here, which is kind of like resistant, I want to say. If you put something like decorations, if you put a printer, I think it could be a really good one to put like a printer on your office. And as I was saying before, you have 20 of this. You have 20 drawers to put all your arts and crafts and pens and papers, and you can just like slide them in, back, and that's pretty much it. I really like it because it's super convenient to have. It has wheels, it has a metal structure, which is kind of like not flimsy and firm. And for sure, the convenience of having 20 drawers to put all the things that you want to store. I really like it. I think it's super good for an office environment. I'm going to give it a thumbs up for sure. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.